Good afternoon. Let me present you today's headline of United States. Text shows Trump allies pleaded on January 6 and rallied after. A massive stretch of text from former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows show how former President allies went from pleading for a stop to the violence of January 6 to affirming their support for Trump in aftermath. Why it matters, the more than 2,300 texts offer a rare glimpse into communication between the White House and network of Trump associates, Fox hosts, and lawmakers in the period after the 2020 election. Texas court grants stay of execution for death row inmate Melissa Lucio. The Texas Court of Criminal Appeals on Monday granted a stay of accusation of Melissa Lucio, holding her accusation scheduled for Wednesday and sending her case back to the trial court to review new evidence. State Representative Jeff Lynch called Lucio to deliver the news, and she immediately stopped on the phone, realizing she would not be executed this week. Putin gets what he didn't want: Ukraine army closer to West. The longer Ukrainian army fades of the invading Russians, the more it solves the advantage of Western weaponry and training. Exactly the transformation President Putin wanted to prevent by invading in the first place. The list of arms following into Ukraine is long and growing longer. It includes new American battle aerial drones and most modern US and Canadian artilleries. Russia hits faraway targets. Diplomats warn risk of World War III. Russia unleashed a string of attacks Monday against rail and fuel installations deep inside Ukraine, far from the front lines of Moscow's new eastern offensive, as Russia top diplomats warned against provoking World War III and said the threat of nuclear conflict should not be underestimated. Most of Beijing to be tested for COVID armed lockdown fears. Beijing will conduct mass testing for most of it, 21 million people, authorities announced Monday, as new COVID-19 outbreaks sparks stockpiling of food by residents worried by the possibility of Shanghai-style lockdown. The Chinese capital began mass testing people in one of its 16 districts where most of new cases have been found. Please subscribe for more like this. Thank you.